because we're shifting our focus now, talking about another setback for Pawan Khera. Now, the Guwahati High Court has denied relief to Khera. Anticipatory bail to Khera has been denied when it comes to the FIR. Rao High Court has rejected Khera's anticipatory bail. Remember, the case was filed on a complaint which was filed by Himanta Biswa's wife, Sam Rao, obviously deepening. When it comes to the Congress leader, Pawan Khera, there seems to be a lot of trouble which is brewing for him. Another setback for Pawan Khera. There's a lot of politics also which is happening. We have my colleague Anamika on the phone line with us. Anamika, take us through, what is the next legal recourse in front of Khera? What next can he do?
Well, see, after a long judgment, after a long discussion, the court, Guwahati High Court has taken a decision, and now the Guwahati High Court has made a strong observation in this particular case involving Pawan Khera, that stating that his custodial interrogation is pretty much necessary, and now the court further will remark that he had dragged an innocent woman, that is the wife of CM Himanta Biswa Sarma, into the controversial, and noted that the Khera has denied all the allegation against him. And now talking about this particular report.
And since you're telling us about the case, we have a breaking news which is coming in. The order copy has been accessed, viewers. That is a big breaking news which is coming in at this point of time. We have accessed the order copy when it comes to Pawan Khera. Obviously, trouble is increasing for Pawan Khera far as this particular case is concerned. He has been denied any sort of relief from the Guwahati High Court. What happens next? What is the legal recourse in front of Pawan Khera? And also some takeaways as far as this order copy is concerned. Anamika is on the phone line with us. Anamika, over to you.
Yes, now see, on the particular reports which you have found on the order copy, it was clearly mentioned that Mr. Khera, while making those accusations, had claimed that his associate had collected those documents for him. And now the court is also on the opinion that under the given circumstances, that the case cannot be termed as a case of defamation, and there are materials for a prime, facial case. This is under section 339 of the BNS, and now the petitioner has avoiding this police investigation. Now, he is, as we all know, that where is Pawan Khera? This is a big question. And as I told you earlier also, one of the particular police team of Assam police team, they are in search of Pawan Khera. Now, for the procedure, what will we, as per the sources, we are getting to know that as per the sources, the police team will be going to Delhi itself and in search of Pawan Khera. And soon, any time Pawan Khera can be arrested. As because we know the bail is denied under the enforcement premises reason, the court holds that the petitioner, that is Pawan Khera, does not deserve to be given this privilege of anticipatory bail. And this is the current development of this particular story.
All right, and that is obviously the latest coming in. I'm also going through the order copy, Anamika, as we speak. And we will be obviously, showing that order copy as well to our viewers. Far as this particular order copy is concerned, Assam Court, obviously, as we all know, has denied relief to Pawan Khera. High Court basically seems to be saying, and again, Akanksha will be taking us through all those pointers as well. Prima facie looks like a case has been made out. False document angle, that's something which has been flagged. And what is important is that at the moment, at least, while denying him anticipatory bail or relief, the court seems to be backing the probe. So the legal trouble is increasing. Akanksha, we're trying to obviously read the order copy as we've accessed the entire copy. Looks like the court said prima facie, looks like that a case is made out. Can you give us more details, some takeaways, first of all, from this order copy?
Absolutely, Meenakshi. You see, the anticipatory bail plea has been rejected, which essentially means that there's no protection now in place and he could be arrested. Let me take you through what the judge has mentioned in this order copy. The court has said that this court is again of the opinion that the custodial interrogation is necessary in this case to find out who are the associates of Mr. Khera who had collected those documents for him and how and from where they had collected these documents. The accusation brought against the present petitioner appears to stem from motive of furthering the end of the justice. There are no material in this case to suggest that the accusation brought against the present petitioner are intended to injure or humiliate the applicant or petitioner by having him arrested. Under the aforesaid reasons, the court holds that the petitioner, Shri Pawan Khera, does not deserve to be given the privilege of anticipatory bail. Accordingly, his prayer for a pre-arrest bail is now rejected. So this is what the court has mentioned, rejecting his anticipatory bail, which is also called as pre-arrest bail. So he has no protection in place. Whether he will be arrested in the coming days is something that remains to be seen.
right, Akansha, thank you for joining us with all these updates. This is obviously a big news coming in. We also have accessed the order copy, but how is the politics playing out, viewers? After no relief for Pawan Khera, we have some breaking news coming in. How the BJP is reacting, because obviously there's a massive political war of words. BJP is already hitting out at Pawan Khera, saying that the scandalous claims which had been made by Khera, this is claims by the BJP, today have been exposed. Listen into what the BJP leaders have had to say.
Well, the allegations made by Mr. Pawan Khera was scandalous. I mean, eventually, he was talking about forged passports, etc., right in the middle of the election campaign. Obviously, immediately, the Honorable Chief Minister, Dr. Himanta Biswa Sarma, swung into action in terms of saying that this is false. It was evidently false. It seemed to have been forged using AI or other tools. And then Mr. Khera decided to, instead of cooperating with the investigation, decided to move on. He sought bail in a jurisdiction that didn't make sense. And if the court has found no merits in his application and dismissed it, that is the judicial process. He has his rights under law, but one can't draw political conclusions on the basis of a judgment of the court.
सत्यमेव जयते, गुवाहाटी हाई कोर्ट ने पवन खेड़ा को बेल, एंटीसिपेटरी बेल डिनाई कर दिया है। ये एक और बार झटका लगा है पवन खेड़ा को, जिन्होंने झूठ का बखेड़ा खड़ा किया था। पवन खेड़ा को सुप्रीम कोर्ट से भी कोई राहत नहीं मिली। सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने भी फटकार लगाई और कहा कि जाइए गुवाहाटी हाई कोर्ट जाइए। जो तेलंगाना हाई कोर्ट रिलीफ ली थी झूठे दस्तावेज देकर, वो भी एक्सटेंड नहीं हुई। पवन खेड़ा ने झूठे दस्तावेज के आधार पर, फोर्ज डॉक्यूमेंट्स, एआई फोटोशॉप जनरेटेड डॉक्यूमेंट्स के आधार पर असम के मुख्यमंत्री और असम की बेटी, उनकी धर्मपत्नी को टारगेट किया था।
The BJP reactions. My colleague Mohit Bhatt is also live with us on the broadcast. Mohit, take us through the war of words which is happening at the moment after anticipatory bail was denied, relief was denied to Pawan Khera, and also how the Congress is reacting and what is the next legal recourse, if any, in front of Pawan Khera.
Well, in fact, Pawan Khera has a legal recourse. He can approach the Supreme Court because now his bail has been denied from the Guwahati High Court. He has an option to going to the Supreme Court. But yes, when it comes to the politics, BJP has hit out at Pawan Khera, basically saying that these were fake charges that were being leveled against Himanta Biswa Sarma's wife, Rinki Bhuyan Sharma, and also that how AI images were being used, and categorically these allegations have been denied, and the BJP says that the proof is out in open that the allegations that Rinki Bhuyan Sharma has 3 passports has fallen flat. It's a fake allegation. The pictures were wrong. So clearly, and you see, when Pawan Khera did that particular press conference post, that it was clear that these were the AI images that were being used, and perhaps that is why Pawan Khera went to Telangana, but then the Telangana court asked him to go to the Gauhati High Court, given the fact that how the case was registered over there, and now his bail plea has been rejected. BJP says that a strict action would be taken. Now, during the course of the elections, I met Himanta Biswa Sarma. I interviewed him on this, and he said that now these allegations that Pawan Khera has leveled, they were during the course of the elections. And Himanta Biswa Sarma says that this attracts the penalties of influencing elections, and hence serious repercussions will be felt by Pawan Khera. And we have seen that Himanta Biswa Sarma has made very personal remarks against Pawan Khera and said that a strict action would be taken. According to the sources, Guwahati police is looking out for Pawan Khera. So we have to wait and watch what exactly would be the next step of the police. But as of now, Pawan Khera has not got any relief from the Guwahati High Court, and the BJP says that it had to happen because all the documents that were being used by Pawan Khera in that particular press conference, the charges that he made, that Rinki Bhuyan Sharma has passports from 3 countries, that have all been, fallen flat. Those were false allegations, and perhaps that is why the court has found certain merit in the plea that was being filed by Rinki Bhuyan Sharma, and his anticipatory bail has been rejected. So yes, the legal recourse is there with Pawan Khera, but before that, it's highly likely that Assam police will look for him and he might get arrested. Back to you.
Well, absolutely. And when we look at the order copy, also some very, very significant points also, which my colleague Akansha was highlighting earlier. Whether Pawan Khera now goes to Supreme Court, legal recourse, whether he gets a relief or not, we'll have to wait and watch. But certainly there is a massive political slugfest which is currently underway, and that's going to be one of our top focuses. As of now, we're slipping into a short commercial break.